So, a few weeks ago, Steve Robb said to do, if you want billions of trillions of billions of views on the old Tinterweb and YouTube, to do a headlight cleaning video. So I said, I'll do mine. And obviously, because I've done it, it's going to be the best. Sorted. Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit video. Now, today we are going to show you how to restore your headlights. This is a really secret industry thing that no one wants you to know, so just bear that in mind. As you can see, we are very glazed. Not only that, we have a crack in. Now we can solve all this. I've seen people rub these down for what seems like 3 days and 5 million different things of sandpaper and water and this and sand one way, sand the other way. No, we can do it so much easier, so much easier. In fact, I can do it with a click of my fingers. So if you want perfect brand new headlights, this is the way to do it. You ready? Look at the difference. There we go. See, no more crack. Oh, that was the dogs. No more crack. Absolutely perfect. And do you want to know the secret? Anybody can do this, and it's without doubt the best way of doing it. Replace the fucking thing. There we go. Look at the difference. Sorted. So people, how simple is that? I'm just waiting for the comments now of people saying, well, I've done mine and it's lasted and it, you know, it works, it's this, it's that, blah, 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 blah. I'm telling you now, if your headlights are that bad, they're never going to be 100% right. They're just not. It will fade again. The damage happens inside as well, which you cannot smoothen out. You're going to have bad lights, and at the end of the day, if you can't see where you're going at night and something happens for the sake of a couple of hundred to put proper brand new headlights in, well, then there you go. So I'm just going to wait for the comments to flood in because I know I'm going to get grief on this video. I'm just telling you, if you want to do it properly, this is the way to do it properly. Sorted. So, hope you like the video. Thumbs up. Or I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of thumbs down on this. But anyway, there you go. The wonderful world of YouTube. And there we go, people. But like I always say, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.